Hello everyone, my name is Sari Domonte. Today we will learn about a simple topic, namely about future tense. But before we start our lesson, I want to ask you about do you have plan in the future? Or do you have a plan to make a car in the future? Yes, I think you have already have a plan in the future. Okay, like you want to be a teacher, a doctor, a nurse, a pilot, a police, and etc. Okay, alright. So today we will learn about future tense. Yeah, as we know that future tense is talking about our future, like what will we do in the next and what our plan in the next. Okay, so the function of future tense is to express something that will be done in the future. Jadi future tense ini fungsinya adalah untuk mengekspresikan sesuatu yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang. So it's like our plan. Itu termasuk menjadi seperti rencana kita di masa yang akan datang. Okay, next, the time signal of future tense. There are many time signals of the future tense, like later, tomorrow, next day, next time, next years, next month, and etc. Okay, I hope you get and understand about the time signal of future tense, right? Okay, next we continue about the formula or the forms atau rules dari future tense. Okay, as we know that in a sentence we make verbal and non-verbal sentence. So according to the future tense, the formula of the verbal sentence is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object plus time signal. So meanings of the verbal sentence is that talking about verb atau sesuatu yang kita lakukan dengan kata kerja. Okay, next is about the non-verbal. Non-verbal, the formula is subject plus will plus be plus adjective, noun, and adverb. So in non-verbal, it means we do something without verb. Jadi di sini kita hanya membutuhkan kata sifat, kata keterangan, kata benda dan lainnya kecuali except verb atau kata kerja. Okay, I hope you understand about the formula, right? Okay, alright. Let's continue. Okay, now I make two sentences or I make two examples of the formula or according to the future tense. Okay, number one is about the verbal sentence. Namely, the positive sentence is I will come to his party tomorrow. According to the verb formula or form of the future tense, namely about the verbal sentence, namely subject is I, will, the verb 1 is come, and the objective is to his party and the time signal is tomorrow. Okay, next in negative sentence is I would. Would ini merupakan singkatan dari will not. Okay, I would come to his party tomorrow. In interrogative sentence is will I come to his party tomorrow? Will I come to his party tomorrow? Okay, understand? You got it? Okay, alright. Next, we continue to example of non-verbal. The positive sentence is you will be a doctor next year. According to the form of the non-verbal of the future tense is subject you will be a doctor. A doctor is explain about now and the time signal is next year. Okay, the negative sentence is you won't be a doctor next year. An interrogative sentence is will you be a doctor next year? Will you be a doctor next year? Okay, you got it? Okay, alright. I think you understand about our lesson for today, namely about future tense. So before we close our meeting for today, I will ask you to make the example of the future tense, namely verbal sentence and non-verbal. We will make according to the formula. Oke, sebelum kita menutupnya, saya berharap kalian mengerti tentang future tense. So, anything, anyone, what we want in the future, we will say future tense. So, I hope you understand what's the meaning of future tense and what's the function and what's the formula. Okay? Okay, I think that's all about our lesson for today. For your attention, I say thank you.